Okay, I ran out of space, so I'm starting to, again here we're going to try and remove these eggs, and I'm going to try and speed up just a little bit. I'm supposed to use a spoon, go around the edges, get the egg out. Voila! Hard-boiled egg. Let's get this one with the meat out. And let's cut through it. I want to see what this looks like. Probably could have used that extra 2 minutes. Look at all that meat. Wow. All in all, not too bad. I tell you what, though, that putting that non-stick spray in there, really good idea. I don't want to put this one on the same plate. I want to find out why this one looks so odd. Okay. Egglet review, end of story. We're going to post these up on Facebook. We'll link them, or not Facebook, on YouTube. We'll link them on Facebook. You can give your opinions. See what you think. They look a little rustic. I think part of that might be maybe a little bit too much. Maybe a little bit too much of the nonstick. Kind of took away a little bit of the shape. Should have probably wiped it out a little bit. Maybe the extra 2 minutes would have been a good idea. But we'll see how it goes. A little salt and pepper. We're going to give this a try. Okay. End of my first cook on YouTube. Well, it's not the first one. I'll link you to an old one that I did 5 years ago. Bye.